What is it, Tweetie?
Careful, Mum, there's a pot right next to you that has water.
What is it, Tweetie? What have you got?
I told you it was more lifetime opportunity to watch her take a bath. Spinning this up.
Tweetie! Tweetie!
Mum, look at the mess she's
What
done
are
on
you doing? Hello, sweetheart.
That's what I do, Mum. If you sit
Where have you gone now? Tweetie! Put it there, leave it there, leave it there.
No, I've got to let her jump on to let her see. You want to go on it?
No, she's done. She's had a bath, babe. Put it down.
It's adorable. Tweetie just had a bath.
Hey,
Took a bath in
Tweetie.
that pool.
Look at you. You're all soaking wet.
Is he like jumping by himself?
Yeah, he was
What's
on
she
the side. I
doing?
went over there to get a bit
What's
more,
she doing?
a cup of water just to make sure, just to fill it up a little bit. Came back
What's it, Tweetie?
to her, actually in it, washing herself on the side, getting on the back.
Oh, is she pretty? Is she pretty?
Yeah, she didn't really do a good job of tidying your room.
Chip, chip.
It's because I haven't finished it.
There you go.
Mum, not only did
You look
she
all
have
ragged.
a bath,
You do.
she'll dry out.
You'll dry out in a minute.
No.
Yes, you will.
How she takes a bath is adorable. She gets in it and she does this.
Is that fun?
Gemma, look what she's done to my bed. She's literally soaked it.